Welcome. In this Live West video, we will walk through how to report a repair. Before continuing, please ensure all details on my profile are up to date. Now we will look at how to report a repair. At the top of the screen, select Report a Repair. Select whether the repair is an emergency, then select Next. The details on this page should automatically be populated. Check the details are correct and fill in any missing information. Read and agree to both repair responsibilities, then select Next. On this page, you'll be prompted to enter more details about the repair. Select the appropriate option from each drop-down box to best describe your repair needed. In this text box, explain the issue. You can select Upload Files to upload any supporting images for your repair. Now select Next. Press Next and your repair will be submitted. To track your repair, you can select Track a Repair at the top of the screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.